Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update Snapchat and prepare the URL you want to attach. You need an account that supports links. Personal often works, but creator or business is simplest. Once those are ready, open the Snapchat camera, take or select a snap, and tap the sticker icon. Choose the link sticker option and paste the URL. This first step moves you from setup to action immediately, because a ready link and updated app are what let the attachment tools appear. Now focus on placing and customizing the link sticker so people will tap it. Paste the URL, then confirm and preview. Snapchat fetches a preview or icon. Make it readable. Resize and position the sticker where it won't obscure faces or important visuals. Add a clear CTA like tap for details or context text nearby so viewers know why to click. Once done, check contrast and spacing. Good placement raises click-through rates and avoids accidental taps that frustrate users. Finish by sharing the snap or posting it to your story, then immediately verify the link works from a viewer perspective. Open the posted snap on another device or ask a friend to test the destination. Make sure it loads and the CTA is clear. If the link fails, try clearing Snapchat cache, repasting the URL, or updating the app. If problems persist, recreate the snap without overlays that might block the sticker. This troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.